Good morning to everyone. Let us learn about the next topic in the reflection of light, that is multiple images and lateral inversion. Okay, lateral inversion and multiple images. Now we are today discussing that point in the reflection of light. Now discussing in previous class periscope. Okay. Periscope, your mirrors are arranged in the parallel condition. Yes or no, ma? So that's why only you are observing the image. Yes or no? For suppose just you are changing the direction of the mirrors, but you are not observing the object. Yes or no? Outside of the object. Yes or no, Nana? So now here, for suppose you are take the mirror. Okay, that is keeping on the floor. Okay. So here this is that mirror we are keeping on the floor. Okay. So here standing the A person and B and C and D. Okay. So here standing the 4 members around the mirror. Okay. That is a circle of the mirror. Okay. So here see Ranan. So in a periscope, what you are observe, that mirror is arranged to the parallel condition. That's why only you are observing the object. Yes or no, ma? So here see Nana. So A person you are observing the C. Okay. And B person observing the D person of the image in the mirror. Okay. Why? So that's all are this A and C are your position is considered the parallel position. That's why only that is observing the A person of the image observing the C. Okay. So your B person you are observing the in the mirror image is the D. Okay. So that's why only you are observing the clear image. For suppose change the positions, Nana. Change the position means just here change the some angle. This is the parallel position. Okay. Just here move to the slide beside only. Okay. Here see. Just here. This is the starting position, Nana. Okay. Just here change the position. Just here move to that is some another side. Okay. One side or left side or right side or any side only. Okay. Just to change the position. But A person you are not observing the C image in the mirror. Why? So that is the change the position. That's why you only not observing the clear image. Okay. So here form to the some angle. So that is the incident and reflected ray. That is the angle of incident, angle of reflection, both of you equal. That's why only you are observing the clear image. Okay. So but here see, this is the parallel condition, but here some angle is the form. So that's why only this is the angle is considered the 0 degrees, and here also consider the 0 degree. That's why only you are observing the clear. Okay. For suppose here 90 degrees, that is a perpendicular to the that is a plane mirror. That's why only you are consider the 90 degrees. And C position also consider the 90 degrees only. Yes or no? So that's why only that the angle is the equal. That's why only you are observing the clear image. Understood, Nana? So for suppose you change the position means automatically change the angle also. Okay. You are increasing the angle. So here this point you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? So here see. That is that is the A and C. Your position is the parallel condition. Parallel condition means you are observing the clear image. But suppose change the position means you are not observing the clear image. That's why only in a periscope also you are that is keeping the parallel condition. Yes or no? That mirror is keeping the parallel. For suppose change the position means you are not observing the clear image. Okay. Here also same position. Okay. Understood, ma? Your daily mirror also your see, ma? Your face to face you are observing the your clear image. Why? That is the light is falling on the your face. Okay. And again the light is falling, that is reflected to the mirror, and again the light is reflected to your eye, and the number of lights reflected to the ear, and again that reflected to mirror, and mirror to your eye. Okay, that all are reflection of the lights you are keeping, that is finally reach to your eye. That's why only you are observing the your clear image in the plane mirror. Yes sir, Namma? You are understood, Nana? Now discussing that that only. Okay. Here see. For suppose this is the plane mirror. Okay, this is your regular observing the mirror only. Okay, so this is the object. That object is formed to the perpendicular to the plane mirror. Okay, so that is the reflected light also you are considered the same one. Okay, incident and reflected, both of you form to the same angle, same direction. So here angle is considered the 0 degrees. Okay, for suppose here formed the some angle, you are just you are considered the some angle. Okay, so reflected ray also you are considered the same angle. So that's why only you are observing the clear rays. Okay, for suppose you are increasing the you are increasing the incident ray angle. Okay, so how automatically reflected angle also that are equal, because you are follow to the law of reflection. Okay, now discussing the refracted ray. One small point, ma. Refracted ray, that is a refracted or reflection of light, anything only. Okay, you are writing a reflection of okay. So now discussing the reflection of light. Okay. Okay, here see, ma. This is the mirror strip only. Okay, in already in a previous class one activity is observed, Nana, that is the law of reflection. Okay, so that's one only here observed. Okay, so this is the mirror. Okay, so this is the consider the, that is the perpendicular to the normal is the hand. Yes sir, Nama? This is the perpendicular line on the plane mirror. Okay, so this is the incident ray. You are consider the incident ray. Okay, this is the incident ray. So automatically you are observing the some bending nature. The light is the light nature, that is a bending nature. Yes or no? So here some bending. The light is bending, and again here observing the reflected condition. That's why only that is you are taking the plane mirror. Okay, so you are observing the another side of the object also observing in the mirror, because that light is that is incident on the mirror, that is again falling on the, that is reflected to the another way. Okay, another medium. Okay, that is the another side only. Okay, so this is the air condition. Yes sir, Mama? This is the air. This is the air condition. This is the mirror. Okay, so this is considered the glass. Okay, this is the air and glass. Okay, so reflection of light means the light is that is a bending of light. Okay, the bending of light when it's that is travel to one medium to another medium, that is air to glass. So that is called refraction of light. You are understood, Nana? The bending of light when it's that is when it's travel one medium to another medium, that is called refraction of light. Okay, so that is the air to glass, and glass to, and here also that is considered the air only. Yes or no? Glass to air. So here see, that is the bending of the light. Okay, this is considered the bending of the light. So that is called. So this is this point is considered the reflected of light of the point. This point also considered the reflection of the point. Okay, so that is a refraction. So refraction is considered, this is position is a refraction. Okay, that is the bending nature of the light. You are observing the bending nature. That is the bending of the light when it's traveling the one medium to another medium. That is called, consider the reflection. That is called, consider the refraction of a light. You are understood, Nana? So this is for suppose here, see, Nana. So this angle is considered the angle of phi, and here this is the incident ray. Here reflection. Yes sir, Mama? So this is the angle considered the angle of reflection. But here that light is falling on the another point on. That is considered the, this is the, so this is one, this is the incident. Yes sir, no? So this is one reflected. Yes sir, Mama? This is the reflected. Okay. So here angle of incidence is greater than angle of reflection. Okay, but here angle of incident less than angle of reflection. So here see, in air condition 3 into 10 to the power of 8, the light speed. Yes or no? Speed of the light is considered 3 into 10 to the power of 8. But here 2 into, that is the minimum traveling the glass. Okay, so minimum traveling in the glass. The speed of the light is minimum traveling in the glass only. Okay, and air and vacuum condition. That is in that is a that is a minimum traveling in the glass only. Okay, you are understood, Nana? The light is mainly moving, you know. So this is the denser medium, this is the rarer medium, Nana. Okay, this is the denser medium, this is the rarer medium. Okay, that angle, that is a refraction of light means that is the bending of light is falling on the, that is when it's a travel one medium to another medium. That is called refraction of light. You are understood, Nana? So now here, that's why only you are observing that is some water bubbles you are observing, Nana, very shining. Yes or no? So here light is falling on the, for suppose this is the water bubble. Okay, so the light is falling on the, that is traveling to the inside. Yes or no? So automatically here observing the some bending. Yes or no? That is the refraction. Okay, and again the light is falling on the, that is reflected to the another direction. Again this is the, again reflected. Yes or no? Again reflected. Again reflected. Yes or no? That is a, you are observing so many times of refraction, and that is the reflection of the light in the water ball. That is a water ball. Okay, that's why only you are observing the very shining in the water ball. That is a water ball. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? And one more example is stones. That is in a jewelry using the stones is there, na? So you are observing the very shining. Yes or no? Because you are followed the this refraction condition only. Okay. First, one more example. You are observing. You are at home only. Okay. You are taking the one glass of water. Okay. This is the water, Nana. Okay. Just you are keeping the any pen or pencil or anything only. Okay. Just you are keeping the pencil. Okay. But this is the pencil. Okay. But here observe, Nana. Okay. That is glass of the, that glass here outside here, just you are observing that this point. You are reach the water kind that point only. Okay. Just you are observing some bending of the, that is a pencil. Okay. Just you are observing the some bending of the object, because that is a depending on the refraction. Okay. So automatically the light that just you are observing the light is some bending. Okay. So this point is observing the bending nature. Okay. Bending of the point you are observing in the glass. Okay. Now you are understood, ma? Are you clear this topic? Okay. Now discussing the multiple images. Now discussing the next topic is multiple images. Okay, so multiple images. Multiple images, where is observed? Where is observed, Nana? So that is the multiple images you are observing the salon and the jewelry shops and the sweet shops and the barber, that is a barber places also. Yes sir, no, that is the salon only. Na? And one more point, one more thing is you are observing in at home also no problem. For suppose you are keeping the so many mirrors in our surrounding. So automatically you are observing your image so many images are formed. Yes sir, your object images are observing the so many images in your house because you are keeping the so many mirrors. So that's why only you are observing the so many images in the mirror. Okay, for suppose you are taking the so that's one, this one also depending on the refraction, that is the reflection of the light. Okay, you are understood, Nana? But suppose you are keeping on mirror, Nana. This is the mirror, and here mirror. Okay, so this is mirror, and opposite that is a mirror opposite arranged to another mirror. This one one more mirror. Okay, so here object is the present one. Okay, so this is the object. This is the object. Okay, so the light is falling on your you, and that is the light is reflected to, that is a reflection to your, and again the light is a reflection to mirror. Yes or no? The light is reflected to you, and again the light is reflected to mirror, and again the light is reflection to, that is a reflection to another mirror. Okay, again the light is reflection to another mirror. Yes or no? Again the light is reflected to another mirror, and so here formed the how many images are formed? So many images. Okay, again you are falling, again reflected, again reflected, again reflected. So you are observing the so many images. So because that place you are arranged the mirrors. Okay, that's why only you are observing the, but here see, here you are taking the only one object, but you are formed the so many images. Number of images are formed. Yes or no, ma? You are understood, Nana? For suppose you are taking the two plane mirrors. Okay, so you are take the two plane mirrors. The two plane mirrors arranged to the some angle. That is you are taking the some angle. That angle you are considering 90 degrees. Okay, so here observing the one object, you are keeping the one candle. Okay, just you are observing the candle in the mirrors. So here arranged to the 90 degrees only. That two plane mirrors arranged to the 90 degrees. Okay, so how many images are formed? How can you observing that? So how do you are formed to the, that is you are identify the how many images are formed in this place. Okay, so here formed the 3 images. How? So here using a one formula. Okay, so n is consider the images, and 360 by theta. Theta means here arranged to the angles. Okay, minus 1. So why are using the minus 1? So here using the 2 mirrors. 2 is the even number. That's why only using this formula. For suppose you are taking the odd numbers. Okay, for suppose you are arranged the 3 mirrors. 3 is the odd one. So that time this is the even number. Okay, that time using the formula is n is equal to 360 by theta. So this is the odd. Okay, now odd one. So that time using this formula, and even numbers also you are so here using the two mirrors, that is the even number, that's why using this formula. Okay, so n is equal to 360 by theta minus 1 and n is equal to 360 by theta, that is the odd one. Okay, so here sigma, so 90 degrees, so here using the two mirrors, so that's why using this formula. One check that one, Nana. N is equal to, okay, so 360 by theta is considered the 90, yes or no ma? Minus 1, 0 0 cancel, 9 4s, so 4 minus 1, so that is equal to 3. So how many images form? 3 images are formed. But for suppose here arranged to the 60 degrees, so how many images are formed? Once again consider, once again you have find out the images. Just you are taking the 60, okay, so 360 by 60 minus 1, so here theta is considered the 60 degrees, Nana. Okay, so here 0 0 6 6 are 6 minus 1, so how many images are formed? 5. So you are automatically you are identified to the 1 point, yes or no? So here depending on the angle also and depending on the mirror also. So you are consider the how many images are formed means your first of all your first point is consider the angle and second point is consider the how many mirrors are using. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So for suppose you are increasing the increasing the angle means that images are automatically your reduction. Okay, so that is angle is decreasing. That angle is decreasing means that is images are increases. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? Okay, so for suppose this is the odd one only, na? You are just you are observing the one odd one. You are arranged to the 3 mirrors. Okay, so that angle is considered the, so your theta is considered the 60 or no problem, you are 90, you are taking any one. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here how many mirrors are using? You are arranged to the 3 mirrors. Okay, so 1 2 3 mirrors. So here angle is considered the 60 degrees. Okay, so here how many images are formed? You have calculated the images. Okay, so here sigma, which formula are you using? This one. So n is equal to 360 by theta. Okay, so here angle is considered the 60. Okay, so 60 360 by 60, so 0 0 6 6. So how many images are formed? 6 images. Just once verification that one. Okay, once again we have verified to that one. So here see, Nana. So here images, how many images are formed? 6. This is the verification, Nana. Okay, so here images are considered the 6 and 360 by theta. Okay, so here see, theta is equal to 360 by 6. Just you are change the position. Okay, so 6 6 are 36 and 0 again, so 60. So here both of you consider the equal. Yes sir, that angle is 60, here coming to 60. Yes sir, both of you equal means that is formula is correct only, na? Okay, you understood, Nana? So for suppose in exams you are given to the angle, so you are find out the how many images. First of all you are identify to the how many mirrors are present and angle. Okay, so after using the formulas. Okay, so first of all you are identify to the angle and that is how many mirrors are using in the problem. Okay, so automatically using that formulas. You understood, Nana? Are you clear? Thank you.